Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Google Ads data access using service accounts step by step clearly. Begin by navigating to the Google Cloud Console at console.cloud.google.com. Sign in using your Google account associated with your Google Ads account. Create a new project by clicking on the Select a Project drop-down at the top of the page. Choose New Project and enter a name for your project. Click on the Create button to finalize the creation of your new project. Once your project is created, ensure it is selected in the Project drop-down. In the left sidebar, click on APIs and Services. Select Library from the submenu. Search for Google Ads API in the Library search bar. Click on the Google Ads API result. Then, click the Enable button to enable the Google Ads API for your project. Next, return to the APIs and Services section. Click on Credentials in the left sidebar. Click on the Create Credentials button. Select Service Account from the drop-down menu. Enter a name for your service account and an optional description. Click Create to proceed. In the next step, you can assign roles to the service account. Search for Viewer in the Roles search bar and select Viewer from the results. Click Continue. Skip the Grant Users Access to this service account section and click Done. Locate the click on the service account name to access its details. Navigate to the Keys tab. Click on Add Key and select JSON. A JSON file will download, containing your service account credentials. Open your Google Ads account in a new tab. Click on the Tools and Settings icon in the upper right corner. Under Setup, select Account Access. Click the blue plus button to add a new user. In the email field, enter the email address from your JSON file. Select the appropriate access level for this user. Click Send Invitation to send the access request. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.